Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an epic showdown that many of you have been asking for. Premiere Pro versus Final Cut. We'll help you decide which video editing software is right for you. Let's jump in. Step 1. Quick overview. First, let's briefly introduce our contenders. Adobe Premiere Pro and Apple Final Cut Pro. Both are powerhouse editing tools used by professionals worldwide. But which one reigns supreme? Step 2. Interface and ease of use. We'll start with the user interface. Premiere Pro offers a sleek and customizable workspace, while Final Cut is known for its user-friendly, intuitive design. We'll break down the differences in ease of use. Step 3. Features and capabilities. Next up, features. Premiere Pro offers a vast array of tools and integration with other Adobe apps. Final Cut, on the other hand, is optimized for Mac users. We'll compare their capabilities and performance. Step 4. Pricing and app accessibility. Now let's talk money. Premiere Pro comes with a subscription model, while Final Cut has a one-time purchase fee. We'll discuss pricing and accessibility for different budgets. Step 5. Exporting and sharing. Exporting your masterpiece is crucial. We'll compare the exporting options and settings in both software, ensuring your videos look amazing wherever they're shared. Step 6. Your decision. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your needs and preferences. We'll wrap up with our recommendations, but remember, the best choice is the one that suits your editing style. Step 7. Conclusion. That's it for our Premiere Pro versus Final Cut battle. Thanks for joining us. Let us know in the comments which software you prefer and any future video ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And that's a wrap for this YouTube Shorts video. See you in the next one. Keep the explanations concise and engaging to suit the format of YouTube Shorts, and use visuals and text overlays where necessary.